Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Amir Khan. In previous videos, we discussed that what are the key important skills that every project manager needs to have. And we discussed the project integration management, communication management, and some other key skills in the previous videos. In this video, we will be discussing about some other skills and most importantly, some of the soft skills. Every project manager is working with his or her team, and the number of people working in the project could vary based on the industry, based on the size of the project. But in any case, project managers, they have to communicate with some of the other team members, and for that purpose, the soft skills are extremely important. For example, project managers, they should be able to plan the project. They should be able to motivate their team members. They should have problem-solving skills. Even they should have the cultural awareness because people are working in the team from different backgrounds, from different cultures, different nationalities. So it is extremely important for project managers to have various soft skills. Among different soft skills, motivational skills and problem-solving skills are extremely important for every project manager. Project managers should be able to think out of the box. Project managers should be innovative. Especially in the planning phase of the project, they must think out of the box, they must come up with some different ideas, different innovative techniques. Also, project managers must display very good behavior in front of their team members. Either the project manager is communicating with internal or external stakeholders, they must have to display a very proper behavior because the project manager is being watched and observed by his or her team members. Apart from the soft skills, some of the other skills which are very important for the project managers, planning skills definitely. Project managers, they must need to know how to plan the project, and within the planning area there are lots of other details. For example, project manager should have a very good awareness about the scope of the project, how to define the WBS diagrams, what are the work packages. Other than that, project managers should have to have all the detailed information about the project scheduling, especially what is the critical path, what is the use of float, different relationships, and some of the other information, for example, leads and lags. So these are all the things which are extremely important to know for the project managers. Project managers needs to have some financial know-how. They must know what is happening in the surroundings. They must know which currency is being used, what is the exchange rate of the currency, what is the political situation in the country where the project is being executed. Especially in multinational companies, these things are extremely important to know by the project managers. And in the coming videos, we will be going through in lots of details that how to control the scope of the project, how to determine the project schedule, what is the project budget, what are the things to consider whenever the plan is being developed, and lots of other things, especially during the execution, that what are the things the project manager needs to consider during the execution of the project. Another important thing project manager needs to know is about the company culture and the company policies. Different companies have different culture, they have different policies. So it is very important and very useful for the project manager to know that what is the company culture, how the company operates, what are the policies as far as the project management is concerned. And in the coming days, I will be making very detailed videos about the soft skills, planning skills, how to execute the project, how to monitor and control the project. And if you have missed my previous videos, so make sure you watch them now before we move on to the more advanced topics of this series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video.